Hello my dear visitors and subscribers. Very glad to meet you here again at CrazyEngines. Today we will continue the story of the early 4-stroke RC engine and the hero of my previous videos, Japanese-made engine Kalt FC-1, is almost mounted on the stand. Engine is equipped by master screw 13x6 prop, glow plug type F by OS is installed, and the fuel will be my typical model Technics Big Bang 16% nitra with added 10% Motul 2T thinned oil. It's windy but more or less warm, so it's just 14 degrees Celsius. So let's start an engine. OS G5 type glow plug installed. Yamada number 4 glow plug installed. So my dear viewers and subscribers, I should say that Kalt FC-1 shows very special character. Of course it's very flexible and engine tunes easily, and the dependence of the glow plug is not so serious, but anyhow Yamada number 4 glow plug shows the better performance from the point of view of the lowest possible RPM. I'm not sure that it's very important for such kind of collectible engine to have more higher or less reliable idle, but anyhow it's just physics, and this is just a matter of the experiment, just like to know how engine is performed. Regarding the prop, I should say about prop that this prop is a little bit heavier for this size of the engine, because normally it used in the 0.53 class engine, something like that. Engine shows very low vibration, and really it starts easily, very easily. I have some broken fingers on arm, so that's just the reason why I'm using electric starter. But we will try to start it by hand right now, okay? That's it. engine leakage was fixed. It was a problem with the shim in the exhaust port. So let's start the engine again. So you can see engine can be easily started by hand. I really like this small beauty. And what about you? Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon. Engine really ticking like Swiss watch.